Hello guys, I am the Kegman, and welcome to Kegman Plays. So today's video is a bit of an odd one for me. It's not something I normally do. It's more of a tutorial video. So for anyone who follows me on Twitter, you will know that I have recently made my my equivalent of the Elgato Streamdeck for my Twitch videos, or my Twitch streams, should I say. Now, the Elgato Streamdeck, I'm not going to knock it. It is a very, very good piece of equipment, but it's 150 quid. It is £150, and that, especially if you're a new streamer or you've got kids, it's not necessarily something you can justify buying. So I made the Redneck Streamdeck. So this is the Redneck Streamdeck. As you can see, it's a basic number pad. It is a basic numpad. We've used some stickers to work out what is what. So we have a scene 1, we have a scene 1 all the way through to scene 6. We have a separate start streaming, stop streaming, a recording button which is both start and stop recording. We can hide the camera and make the camera disappear. The numlock is now the power button, so you can turn this off if you want to. Mute mic, unmute mic, mute Discord, unmute Discord, and you've got a button there to start, to send a tweet when you start your stream, and send a tweet when you are mid-stream. So, how do we do this? Well, several things you're going to need to do. Number one, you're going to need to get yourself a numpad. Mine cost me £8 from Amazon. So, that was the cheapest wired numpad that I could find at the time. You can go more expensive if you want. You can get a mechanical Streamdeck, a mechanical numpad. This one was just a very basic membrane numpad. So you're going to need one of those. You're also going to need this program up here called HIDMacros. I will make sure that there is a link in the description for the download. Basically what we're going to do is create a macro for each of these key strokes. So as you can see, I've got mine up here. I've got my unmute mic, I've got tweet 2, tweet 1, stop, start, all my scenes, mute, unmute Discord, mute mic, and hide/show the camera. It's pretty simple, but there are a few things you need to know. So what you're going to do, I'm gonna set up a new one without wanting to mess up my current ones. So I'm going to head to new, and then what you're going to do is create a new macro. You're going to have to name this. Well, you don't have to name it, but it makes it easier when you're trying to then map your Streamdeck, or your Redneck Streamdeck, as we call it in this case. Your very ultra cheap Streamdeck. In this case, we are going to call it test. We're literally just going to call it test. And there is test. The next thing you want to do is press scan, and you're going to press a button on your Streamdeck. In this case, I'm going to use 0. After that, you're going to go to scripted, and you're going to want to set a command up. Now, I'm going to straight up admit that I do not know how to set commands properly in this, but I know how to do this. This is what you're going to want. This is what you're going to want to type in. I will make this a pastable in the description. HIDMacros.SendKeysSlow. Then you want your quotation marks, your bracket points. Now, I don't know the proper name for this, but it's the bracket points with the pointy bit. Yeah, that's a full-on technical term. And then you're going to name this, like, in this case, this is F22 for the unmute mic, so you're going to name it anywhere from F13 up through to F24. You will need to use some different numbering, so you might need to use F1 through to F3. But the idea is to completely take away that as an option. So what you want to do is copy paste this, so Control C in this case, go up to test, / and Control V. We're going to name this one F3 as it is unused on mine, and press compile. As you can see, I've got OBS opened up on a separate screen on the bottom right hand of this recording. I'm going to go into OBS. I'm going to go to settings, hotkeys. I'll bring this setting bit over here, and we're going to go to dual recording. So in this case, I want to show you that this is going to work. So show right screen display, hide right screen display, click apply, OK. Very, very simple macro. Very simple macro indeed. To show you how much this does work, I'm going to move through some of my screens now. Messy hair. And then come back. Now the tweet buttons work, but sometimes they can be a bit iffy. So what you're going to do is press start. It'll open up a new instance in Twitter. It will take a couple of moments, and then it should load up. There we are. So stream starting over at http twitch.tv/kegmanplays. The only thing then you need to do that isn't automated with this is click tweet. But I am not currently streaming, so we're not going to go ahead and do that. I will set up these all in the bottom for you. I will put links in for the numpad that I used. I will put up the pastables for these, and I will also put the link in for the HIDMacros. If there are any issues, I will say, don't ask me the questions. I am not a coder. This is basically coding to a small scale. I'm not a coder. I don't exactly 100% know how to necessarily fix things, but I will say this: make these all one at a time. Make sure you're not copying exactly, you know, what each thing is without writing it down. So I started through scene 1 through to 6, and I wrote down exactly which key I had hit. I tried to map it out so that they're in order, which made sense. So as I was doing things, I knew where I was going to put things. So I wanted to make sure that the stream start, stream stop were next to each other, and that the scenes 1 through to 6 were next to each other, and so on and so forth. It just makes it easier to navigate around. Just be careful not to use the numlock key, because if you tap that numlock key, that is no longer going to work. Anyway guys, thank you very much for joining me. I can probably answer a few questions in the comments below, but as for more excessive questions, sort of like how can I do this macro, how can I do that macro, I'm useless. In the meantime, follow me on Twitter at KegmanPlays. Follow me over on Twitch, twitch.tv/KegmanPlays, if you want to see me use this live in action, or just want to generally have a bit of a laugh. And that is it. Take care. I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.